The robots are coming. U.S. Army experiments with human-machine warfare. Fort IRWIN, Calif. Looking like a toy helicopter, a small black drone rose up over a cluster of adobe buildings in a quiet desert village, emitting a faint buzz. The drone, an Anduril Industries Ghost-X, paused and then rose higher, disappearing into the clouds. Another followed. Seemingly small and unthreatening, the drones were serving as the eyes of an infantry company concealed by the surrounding mountains and readying to reclaim a village held by the enemy. And those drones were not alone. All at once, an overwhelming group of air and ground-based machine fighters burst onto the scene. An octocopter lumbered through the sky with precision munitions and other robots attached to its belly, dropping 360mm mortar rounds on a roof and other small handheld cylindrical throwbots on the ground. Robotic combat vehicles rolled into view, armed with 50 caliber and M240 machine guns, firing on enemy positions and providing cover for troops maneuvering into the village. Meanwhile, a four-legged dog robot stepped out from a thick cloud of smoke, giving the soldiers monitoring from afar another view. The scene was the culmination of a U.S. Army effort to understand how it can use human and machines together on the battlefield. Service leaders descended on Fort IRWIN, California, home to the National Training Center, in March for a large exercise known as Project Convergence. The demonstration was a glimpse of the Army's future, according to top officials. General James Rainey, who leads Army Futures Command, expects the service's future force to be so integrated with machines that humans will face a much lower risk. "We will never again trade blood for first contact," he frequently says, promising to deploy robots instead. But getting these formations right won't be easy, leaders acknowledge. For human-machine integration to work, a functional and user-friendly network must underpin it. It requires protection from cyber attacks, and the systems must have the right amount of autonomy.